In this video, we'll walk you through the process of how to sign up on the vendor portal for the very first time. First, head over to our website and click on the Join Free button. To begin, enter your work email address on the sign up page. You'll receive a verification code sent to your inbox. Simply enter the code on the next page to confirm your email address and continue. Once your email is verified, you'll be shown a form to fill out with your personal and company information. Once you've filled out your company details, you'll be asked to select whether you are a service provider or a software provider. This selection helps us better categorize your profile, ensuring it's displayed to the right audience. After completing this step, click Save, and your sign-up process will be complete. In the next video, we'll show you how to claim your company profile and take control of your product listing on Software Finder.